Class 12A, Chapter 10 of Chemistry, haloalkane and haloarenes. Chemical properties of haloarenes are less reactive than haloalkanes. Due to presence of sp3 hybridization in haloalkanes and 25% S character and 75% P character in haloalkanes. So CH3X has less S character and more P character. In haloarenes, sp2 hybridization takes place in haloarenes. Chemical properties: lone pair of electron release here and give negative charge here, and positive charge will be developed here. Negative charge at para position and positive charge at chlorine. Here negative charge on ortho position, and in this way electron rotating all over the benzene ring and form chlorobenzene. Polarity: haloarenes have 1.73D, in case of haloalkanes have 2.05D, so more reactive than haloarenes. Substitution reactions by OH group Dawes process. When chlorobenzene react with NaOH, it gives ONA, benzene ring, dilute HCl and give phenol. Second, chlorobenzene react with ammonia plus Cu2 copper oxide, it gives aniline, Cu2Cl2 plus H2O. Substitution by cyano group. When chlorobenzene react with copper cyanide in presence of pyridine at 475 Kelvin temperature, it gives cyanobenzene and copper bromide. When cyanobenzene react with concentrated HCl, it gives CuNH2 benzamide. These are partial hydrolysis. Cyanobenzene react with dilute HCl, it gives benzoic acid by complete hydrolysis. Cyanobenzene again react with lithium aluminum hydride. Its reaction is known as reduction reaction. It gives benzylamine. Benzylamine reaction with sodium. Sodium is an active metal. This reaction is known as Wood's reactions. When bromobenzene react with sodium and methyl bromide in presence of dry ether, it gives toluenes. Second, feeding reaction. When bromobenzene react with sodium, again bromobenzene, two molecule of bromobenzene react with sodium in presence of dry ether, it gives biphenyl. Reaction with copper, Ullmann reaction. Benzyl iodide, two molecules of benzyl iodide react with copper, it gives diphenyl and Cu2I2. When chlorobenzene react with reduction in presence of two nascent hydrogen in presence of nickel aluminium, it gives benzene and HCl. Bromobenzene reduce with nascent hydrogen in presence of nickel aluminium, it gives benzene plus HBr. Ring substitution reaction. Electrophilic reduction reaction. Positive ions rotated around the reaction. First, halogenation. When chlorobenzene react with Cl2, it in presence of anhydrous LCl3, it gives ortho dichlorobenzene dichlorobenzene. LCl3 react with chlorine, it gives LCl4 negative charge and chlorine having positive charge. Second, nitration. Bromobenzene react with nitric acid in presence of concentrated H2SO4, it gives ortho nitrobromobenzene, is a minor product, and gives plus para-nitrobromobenzene. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reactions Chlorobenzene react with CH3Cl in presence of FeCl3. It gives orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene. Chlorobenzene react with CH3COCl in presence of FeCl3. It gives orthochloroacetophenone and parachloroacetophenone. Effect of electron withdrawing group. Orthonitrobenzene react with 25% of NaOH in presence of 443 Kelvin temperature and dilute HCl. It gives paranitrophenol. Then these reactions react with NaOH. It gives 2,4-dinitrophenol, 2,4,6-trinitrophenol in presence of water, 323 Kelvin temperature. It gives picric acid.